Hey, what's up everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're going over a new tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 6. This is an Ibywind tempered glass screen protector. Picked it up on Amazon for about 11 bucks. I'll leave the links down in the description where you can pick this up yourself. So a few things this incorporates. Full coverage. It comes with an installer guide basically to help make sure it's square, there's no issues. Comes in a really nice presentation packaging here with a nice hard frosted plastic casing. Let's go ahead and open this here. This company does offer screen protectors for such as the Xiaomi Mi 8, some Huawei devices as well. You can also check them out in the links. Reviews for their screen protectors have been actually pretty good from what I could tell from the Xiaomi Mi 8. So here's the install kind of frame guide and then the rest of the packaging here. So we take this, open it up here. It does actually include 2 screen protectors, so that's a plus. We'll set those aside. We'll take a look at those in just a moment. We have kind of your cleaning cloths, alcohol swabs, your microfiber cloth as well. There's your instruction manual. Hey, yo, nice little freebie here. This is something I was not expecting. This looks like a carbon fiber kind of clear back skin that you can apply. That I've never seen with tempered glass. So this is going to actually protect your back in case you don't have a case on it, for example. There's also, maybe not, it doesn't include like a the camera glass skin part, but nonetheless a nice little throw in for 11 bucks. If we take a look now at the tempered glass itself, here it is. It does have a black border. One benefit that this does have is it has all the cutouts for all the sensors here. So there's a cutout for the actual camera, speaker, and the ambient light sensor. The current one that I am using, I'm getting annoyed with because the camera is underneath the glass and there's been a lot of hair, dirt, other small particles getting underneath this cutout, and so when I try to use the front facing camera, terrible quality at that point. So this is going to definitely be better. Hopefully the quality as far as the actual glass with rainbow effect, we'll take a look at that. I'll be right back and install this and I'll share my impressions. So what you're going to want to do is take this frame after cleaning off the screen, things like that, wiping it down, removing any dust, place the little frame on the phone just like such, and you know which side is correct because this has this little bulge for the volume buttons on the left hand side. So we apply it and I just touched the screen. Alright, so now that's going to help guide the actual glass to sit straight on the actual phone itself. So we'll be right back and put it on. Alright guys, so I am finished. Now a few things to note here. There are these weird adhesive kind of residue underneath the glass still. Those may disappear over time, I'm not 100% sure. Up here on the top is easier to see, like in these little areas. So hopefully those go away over time. I've gotten rid of a good amount of them just by pressing it down for a couple minutes and they go away. But the installation was actually fairly seamless. That was the first time using a guide alone without me actually trying to do it myself. The cutouts are nicely centered here for all the camera, sensors, speakers. It is perfectly aligned, so it is straight along the edges. I believe you do lose a line of pixels on the side and around the notch because I can tell down here, you can kind of tell that little small black border next to the screen, like the digitizer area and the actual blackness of the glass on the phone. Now it does work perfectly fine with the Sandstone first party slim case from OnePlus. You're probably gonna have issues if you have like a TPU more rugged case that has more of a lip on the front. So yeah, it goes pretty much edge to edge. As you can see there's really no room for a lip of a case. I'm not sure if this is going to work with the silicone case from OnePlus either. Probably won't, just because there's no room for it. But overall, this feels much nicer than the previous screen protector I had on there. The edges are more rounded, so it's not as harsh when you're swiping from the side and things like that. This is full adhesive, so you don't have the rainbow effect. You don't have the weird discoloration when you're turning it off axis. You don't have weird little imprints on the screen when you're tapping it sometimes. Screen responsiveness feels fine as well, from all corners, over here, down here, for example, down here, that sort of thing. So yeah, so I mean, 10, 11 bucks, you get 2 screen protectors that are full adhesive. You get a bonus gift of this nice little carbon fiber clear back skin. You get the frame. I don't know what else you would want for a tempered glass. So if you have a Xiaomi Mi 8 or maybe one of some of these other phones that this company offers, definitely check them out. To pick one up, I would highly recommend. I mean, I don't know. The only complaint I wish, this did not have the black border on the glass. I wish it was just completely clear. I don't know why they went with that. If it's a full adhesive, it should just be completely clear anyways. But if you guys want to pick up a OnePlus 6 or 6T, I'll leave a $20 coupon code down below where you can get $20 off a phone and accessories. If you guys have any questions or comments about this tempered glass screen protector, comment down below, ask away, I'll help you out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.